Hello, this is David D. Hilster. I'm a critical thinker, science dissident, and I'm here to tell you the truth about science, something that your university professor won't tell you, the mass media won't tell you, and of course, certainly those science evangelists won't tell you. Today I'm going to talk about something I hear all the time, and it just gets me mad as heck. In fact, I've already put comments up on Facebook on Mr. Albert Einstein's page, and I've got people agreeing with me too because we get tired of hearing this phrase. So I've got this article from NBC News, and it says, Major black hole discovery shines new light on how the universe formed. Okay, the universe didn't form. The universe always has been, is, and always will be. This idea that it formed, that's crazy. I don't know if it's creationist. I don't know if it's philosophical. I don't know if it's non-religious at all. All I know is the idea that the universe somehow didn't exist sometime makes no sense. Even if you believe in God, where does God exist? In not universe? When you have the Big Bang and the universe was the size of a pea, is everything around it not universe? It gets really tiring when people make these grandiose statements. And of course, we say that black holes are observed, and we're looking at how the universe, how galaxies are forming or evolve, but they always tack on this universe thing. Oh, and the universe. Well, yeah, everything's in the universe, but the universe being formed means it came from something or nothing, or started out as nothing, or started and will stop or not stop or something. But we have to stop it. This nonsense has to stop. We have to stop using these phrases in our literature, in our blogs, in our articles, how the universe formed. Because people get the simplest and most basic idea of the phrase universe formed. Most people, their gut feeling is that the universe has always been here, and maybe matter does all kinds of stuff and the world's around, and you get black holes, which are really dense, real dense objects. And yes, those real dense objects, maybe the densest in our part of the universe, are in fact orbiting each other. Great. But we don't have to make these phrases. Let's read the first sentence. Researchers at the University of New Mexico have an incredible discovery. It's an incredible discovery. It's not a discovery. It's an incredible discovery that could help us better understand not just black holes, but the universe. Of course. You know, we discovered a new way to put a seat buckle on somebody in a car, and it is an incredible discovery, and it really will enhance our understanding of the universe. Everything sort of does. This isn't a model for the entire universe. We're not talking about that. We're talking about a couple black holes, but the idea is it's got to be really important. The idea is this is huge. And of course it's huge because they say it's huge, but if you ask that person on the street who's struggling to put food on their table, who are struggling to pay their student loans, who have health insurance but that really doesn't work, who are working a couple jobs, and you say that two black holes orbiting each other is an incredible discovery. Why don't we tell people how light works, really, or gravity works, really? That would be much more interesting, don't you think? Also, I want to make another statement here, and we can see this, I think, further down here. Image, artist's concept of two supermassive black holes, similar to those observed by UNM researchers, orbiting one another. There it is. We will, oh, come on. Oh, maybe it's because I have it in special page mode so we don't get to it. But anyways, it's there. I'll post the link. I will post the link. Glitch it a little bit. But anyways, and I have that for you again. Now I will move this over because I know you may not see it all because there's only one black hole. There they are. 2 black holes, okay? But this is another problem with modern science. On Modern Science TV and on Modern Science in general, in articles, we get artist conceptions, we get 3D models of the string theory, of black holes, of the Big Bang, of brains touching each other and starting big bangs. We get graphics of subatomic particles. We have no idea what shape or size or what they are at all, with all these attributes that are impossible. But we make beautiful, beautiful graphics. They look like holes, don't they? They sort of look like 2 drains in the middle, and the sort of cylinders, really. You know, I'm an artist for real, and I mean, it's interesting. I'll have to say that, but this looks more like cyclones, and that's a very sort of. The idea here, though, is because we make it into cool graphics, doesn't mean it's real. We can make Bigfoot pictures real. The one I like here, though, is really cool. It says, artist's conception of 2 supermassive black holes similar. How do they know that? How do they know that? How do they know that? Folks, this is just, you know, I think the intellectuals out there who read this and just go, ho, 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 these people, they're so they don't know what they're talking about because these things are very complex. Are you an astrophysicist? Oh, you're not. Ho, ho, ho. The truth is most people who like science are laughing at this. And yet, we publish it. Why? Because it seems sensational. This is about, these pictures of black holes are about as real as Yeti is, as Bigfoot is. Black, very dense objects exist, but they're not holes. And I don't even really know what black means. Maybe they're not shining. I'm not sure that means they're black. But regardless, we got to stop saying phrases like how the universe formed. We got to stop saying that. But also our understanding about the universe and how it formed means started. We got to stop. Got to stop. So I don't want to belabor the point. You get it. So remember, always, always, as I say, do not take what anyone says on faith. Stay critical, stay thinking. I'm David D. Hilster, your science therapist, trying to keep you sane in this insane world of the universe formed phrases in blogs and incredible discoveries, which aren't really that incredible. So, ciao for now.